Hey y'all, hey. So let's get this soap unmold. Now this is a new soap. It's called Soothing Luv. It's a fragrance oil. Before we unmold, we got to get these gloves on, because one thing I absolutely hate is seeing people touch soap that they gonna sell with just their bare hands. This is my 5-pound mold that I absolutely love. I did a different technique on this soap, so we're gonna see how it turns out together. So I put the textured mat inside the mold and up the sides to create this design. What I'm doing now is laying down a piece of disposable cutting board to make the cleanup a breeze. I'm so anxious to see how it turned out. So now what I have to do is pull the sides down. I'm pulling down carefully so I don't tear anything or accidentally rip a piece of my soap off. Okay, so now we're pulling the silicone holder off now to unveil this soap. I actually love this technique and I will be doing it again, but it just created a whole different type of simple but cute design to the soap. And we try not to do a lot to the natural soap. This some soap that just got away, that slipped through the textured mat. Now everything is off and look at that soap. She turned out so cute. I like her. I think I might put her in my shop. What y'all think?